Welcome to Abu Dhabi, the beating heart of the UAE's luxury real estate revolution. In 2025, the Emirate is not just growing, it's booming. Stabilized oil prices, surging tourism, and smart city infrastructure are transforming it into one of the world's hottest property investment destinations. But with dozens of projects launching across the capital, where should your money go? In this exclusive deep dive, we reveal the top 5 real estate investments in Abu Dhabi for 2025, backed by real data, developer insights, and local market intelligence. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, this is your ultimate guide to unlocking the capital's most promising opportunities. Abu Dhabi's real estate market is entering a powerful new era in 2025. With oil prices holding steady above $85 per barrel and the nation's GDP expected to grow by 4.3%, the capital city is drawing unprecedented global investor interest. But in a landscape full of luxury towers, waterfront villas, and master-planned communities, where exactly should smart investors focus their attention? Today, we'll take you through the 5 top-performing areas that are leading the charge in Abu Dhabi's booming property scene this year. Yas Island leads Abu Dhabi's property market with standout rental yields and strong short-term appreciation. Apartments alone are delivering nearly 7% ROI, making it the top-performing area for investors. But beyond the numbers, Yas thrives on its unique blend of world-class tourism, limited residential supply, and major developments. In 2024, over 25 million visitors were drawn to attractions like Ferrari World, Warner Brothers World, SeaWorld, and the F1 Grand Prix, an event that alone injects over AED 1.2 billion into the local economy each year. Yas Island has a limited supply of just 8,000 residential units, with luxury rental occupancy consistently above 90%. Investor demand is surging, especially in areas like Yas Bay Marina, where prices have jumped 18% since launch, and Gardenia Bay, which is outperforming the market by 22%. With institutional buyers entering the scene, properties like Yas Bay Apartments, Gardenia Bay, and Yas Acres Villas are top picks for high rental yields and short-term growth in 2025. Moving on to Saadiyat Island, we shift gears toward long-term wealth and elite luxury positioning. Saadiyat Island's property supply is tightly limited, with only around 200 villas and long average ownership periods of over 7 years. This scarcity has fueled strong appreciation, like a Saadiyat Lagoons villa that rose 33.8% in value between 2022 and 2024. High-end developments such as Saadiyat Lagoons, Louvre-facing apartments, and Nobu residences are drawing elite buyers. While returns are slower than Yas Island, Saadiyat stands out for long-term wealth preservation and steady capital growth. Next, we turn our focus to Al Reem Island, where urban convenience meets stable rental yields. Located adjacent to Abu Dhabi's financial heart, Al Reem benefits greatly from the ongoing expansion of the Abu Dhabi global market. In fact, ADGM employment grew by 28% over the past year, and many of those professionals receive housing allowances in the range of AED 350,000 annually, creating strong demand for mid to high-end rentals in this district. Residential occupancy on Al Reem hovers around 87%, and tenants here tend to stay for longer durations, with an average tenancy lasting nearly 3 years. What makes Al Reem Island especially attractive to investors is the restricted new supply, with only 3 residential towers approved through 2026. This limited pipeline supports price stability and strong demand. Off-plan projects like Reem Hills offer high rental yields and projected returns of up to 9.2% over 5 years. For those seeking affordable entry and steady cash flow, Reem Hills and ready-to-move-in units at Al Reem Towers are top investment picks for 2025. From urban high-rises, we now move to Al Reef, a community-focused district offering exceptional value, especially for local families and first-time buyers. Often overlooked, Al Reef is seeing a demographic shift, with nearly 42% of its buyers now being UAE nationals. more than double the city average. Its appeal lies in its livability and affordability, especially for families with children, as proximity to schools here adds an estimated 12% premium to property values. Al Reef stands out for its affordability, with mortgage costs around 22% lower than similar communities in Abu Dhabi. Phase 3 townhouses are in high demand, driven by professionals tied to the nearby hospital expansion, resulting in near-zero vacancy. Investors are earning 6.8% returns on townhouses and over 10% ROI on apartments. With 4-bedroom villas starting at just AED 2.21 million, Al Reef offers a low-risk, high-yield option for those seeking stable, budget-friendly investments. Lastly, we arrive at Al Jubail Island, perhaps the most intriguing and ambitious development in the pipeline. Spread across 6.4 square kilometers, Al Jubail is designed to host only 4,000 units, with strict regulations on minimum plot sizes, which start at 15,000 square feet. That means very limited density and a preserved sense of privacy and exclusivity. The first branded residential project on the island will be managed by Mandarin Oriental, signaling the ultra-premium positioning of this location. However, there are risks to consider. Phase 1 of the project has been delayed, now expected to complete by Q3 of 2026, and current pricing carries an 18% premium compared to similar waterfront locations. Still, for those playing the long game, Al Jubail presents an opportunity for land banking, legacy villa construction, and potentially high capital gains over the next decade. Strategically, short-term investors may find strong flip opportunities in Yas Bay or under construction units in Reem Hills. Medium-term strategies include buying and holding properties in Saadiyat's cultural district or undertaking light renovations in Al Reef. For long-term players, land banking on Al Jubail or acquiring retail components in Saadiyat Grove could offer immense upside. In conclusion, Abu Dhabi in 2025 is not just growing, it's evolving into one of the world's most exciting real estate destinations. Whether you're after high yields, capital gains, or strategic positioning for the next decade, the opportunity is here. But as always, timing is everything. With new visa reforms, rising oil-driven confidence, and rapid infrastructure growth, we expect another 12 to 15% price surge before year-end. The time to act is now. From high-yield apartment flips on Yas Island to generational beachfront estates on Saadiyat, Abu Dhabi in 2025 is a landscape rich with possibility. But as always, the smartest returns come to those who act with clarity, strategy, and perfect timing. Until then, this is your roadmap to real estate success in the capital of the future. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the new Abu Dhabi.